Tesla continues making headlines as they transition from a startup to a mature company. Elon Musk's struggles to meet production goals and sustain profitability makes the stock price predictions continuously challenging. But what an investor like you should expect from this stock? You got to the right channel, and my name is Dana and I'm your professional stocks advisor. Just kidding, I'm not a professional. But please subscribe to my channel in order not to miss any interesting overviews of my future videos, and also if you want to know what is going on, hit the notification bell down there. The world of electric vehicles was no longer set with small cars that would get only a few miles before needing to be recharged. Today the company burns cash and trying to maintain its company space. Tesla issued a massive debt and now is trying to shore up its balance sheet and also maintain its cash reserves. The deep pocket of Musk himself would only reach so far. The only question is, what will the stock do for now? Bloomberg pointed out that company's free cash flow has been negative for the last 6 quarters. They also topped for $1 billion in the last quarter report. The company announced a 9% layoff of its staff in early June. Their net income has dropped quarter after quarter. With $2.79 billion in cash sitting on their books, the company could eat up their reserves within the next year or two. When Musk held a fanfare event in July of 2017, he laid out promises that never materialized. He couldn't carry the company through the reality that it was failing to live up to its promises. Pictures of stockpiles of Tesla cars sitting in lots and their production challenges started to creep up around the internet, with the customers canceling their orders due to the excessive wait time. For the better part of 15 years, Tesla was the only company to create the vehicle of the future. While Tesla made a big waves in self-driving vehicles, still, competitors from Ford to General Motors want to be the first to the market, and they're quickly catching up. We don't know how far any of the competitors would go, but still being the first to the market of self-driving vehicles gives a big competitive advantage to Tesla. One of the biggest concerns for investors is Elon Musk's lack of focus on core business. With Musk acquiring a lot of companies, investors are rightly concerned that Tesla is not getting the full attention it deserves. After looking at the Tesla chart itself, we can see that the price is anything but stable. All the price movements shows the annual return of minus 4.51%. In the long term, Tesla shows some sizable gain of 150% in a 5-year period. While negative news pushed down the share price, still the stock itself sits at nearly its all-time highs, so investors are not running for exits. While there are tons of factors that can go into an analysis, it is important to understand how to play each of the following issues. Any company lives and dies by the amount of money they have to work with. The rate at which Tesla continues to burn cash will only test the limits of Musk's own pocketbooks. It's worth calculating the amount of money the company has on hand. Also, the change in cash from quarter to quarter and the median average of that change over time. That will help you to predict how long will the Tesla survive without issuing the additional shares, debt, or simply folding. Also, keep an eye on reports or headlines on top competitors in their development of electric vehicles, autonomous driving, or solid-state battery technologies. There are 2 scenarios for Tesla. The first one is that the company would have some amount of bad news, which would cause the stock to gap lower in the morning. If the market would not show any serious signs of slowing down, the company would likely to regain their legs throughout the day. On the flip side, the company could beat the expectations, which would send the share prices soaring. Because of the volatility in the stock, if you want to play earnings, probably options would be the best bet at this moment. It will allow you to take advantage of possible beat in earnings, as well as leaving you the option to purchase more. If you believe in the company's overall story, you can use pullbacks in share prices to increase your position. However, keep an eye on the technology sector, as a fallout that could turn the stock prices for Tesla go down rapidly. That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, put this video a big thumb up. Also visit stockmetrics.net in order to see the full blog post, and I would leave the link in the description box down below. Comment below your favorite part of this video, and I would see you next week, so bye!